How to use TestFlight redeem code. So super easy. You need to go and download TestFlight app. So just tap App Store, in the App Store app TestFlight. Uh, you can get this free app. So here it is. You can just get it. Then you need to log in inside of this app with your Apple ID. It's very important to log in with the correct Apple ID, which I guess is, I don't know, which you are using with the app. And you need to be logged in, and then you can see this redeem button in the top where you can just enter the invitation code and tap redeem. Sometimes if it's not working, you can just double check that you entered all the letters correctly and there are no spaces, no additional characters, and you can also retry it. So yes, that's just how you can enter it there, and then it should work. However, in my experience, I always have bugs with redeem codes. So how I tested these apps, I just basically used invitation links. So it can be either invitation link or invitation code. So I prefer to use links. And then when you tap on the link, you're just being redirected to TestFlight app, and then you easily test these apps. So that's just basically the idea how you can test out these apps with the invitation code, and then that's how you can use it. Yep.